Okay, so this is the same point I was making as point one, which is that the rule here is that if you've got a dominant chord, like a C7, right? If you go to a fifth of C, you get to G, because C, a fifth again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's a G, right? So if you've got a C7 chord, you go to the fifth of that, this is the rule, and you play G minor 7. That does Wes Montgomery trick number one. Wes Montgomery trick number two is you take a C7 chord and you go down a major second below the dominant chord. So a major second is 2 frets down, you go down, major second, so you get to B flat, and you do that as a major 7. So you go major second down, which is just going down 2 frets to get to B major 7. So you play B major 7, or you go to a fifth and you do G minor 7. Beautiful. I think that is incredible. Now, he did mention that, I think that's pretty cool. I mean, let's just go with that. And the Mixolydian, see if I can just find a Mixolydian thing, just to chuck an image of it. It just says here that there's a use of G Mixolydian mode over the G7 chord. I mean, it's a pretty common choice over G7. That's nothing special. It's just sort of Mixolydian is basically just playing in G7. That's kind of what it is. It's a flattened seventh. I don't know that I literally don't know that I talk about that. I just don't know that it's. You could. In fact, you know what? This is not a bad thing to say. You could say in the beginning, you could say, well, if it's C7, you could play in C Mixolydian mode, which is just kind of playing in C7.
Yeah.
Or you could do these two substitutions. So you can do all three things. That's a nice way of tying in the Mixolydian mode. Yeah, I'm gonna say yeah. What do you think?
Yeah.
Do you feel comfortable that that's enough?